Welcome to Carter's Eat. We are in my bathroom, so it's getting real intimate with you guys now. Carterians. It's a hair something. Not product review. We're trying to see if we can get the curl activator to give me a defined curl. I saw this on Faye in the City. So we are going to get see my arsenal of products, and we are gray. So because I'm gray, my conditioner, I've just washed my hair, the conditioner on, and then we're going to use the curl activator. But the conditioner I use is for people with gray hair. It's Silver Brightener. So it's by Mack. Going to get into the curl activator. Ready? Her curl activator, Faye in the City's curl activator was blue. I'm using the light SCurl light curl wave gel activator. My hair is very dry. Very dry. So when I take this off, don't come for me. You can hear, oh, it's soft actually. Not bad, Pantene. So what I'm going to do right now is get it all conditioned, and we'll come back and get ready to put this gel on with, I haven't decided what I'm going to seal the gel activator with. What I think we're going to put on my hair after I rinse out the conditioner is the Shea Cocoa. So you know I'm all about that. Honey, everything's opening back up. So I ran to Jamco. And this is healthy, hair is good. Look, they say all types of things on the back of these things. Faye in the City just came, get there. She just came out with Blue Magic, but she used the regular old school Blue Magic grease. Coming right back. Sorry, I haven't got to the conditioner yet. I'm still conditioning it. But when you've had a protective style for like 3 weeks, maybe longer, because I wear lots of wigs, so I have to two-strand my hair. I mean, it is feeling amazing. A bit of the silver. Again, to make, I'm trying to bring out this gray. I'm trying to bring it out. I'm trying to get a champagne. But if it doesn't get the gray I want, somebody gonna dye it black at the end, so you can still see some of my permed hair at the ends. In the old school Sealy braids, because I am not in the mood to tie up the use those black twist ties. So and wash day is never easy for anybody with a natural. Thank you, Drew Nation, for encouraging me to do my hair in sections and care about doing my natural hair. It's such a tedious process. I never really have. I don't think I've ever sectioned my hair. So shout out to YouTube for teaching you how to go further. Let's do it. Boom pow. It's going to sit for forever. I'm going to rinse it out, come back, and we're going to be trying Jheri Curl. And I don't really like my gray hair because I do have 2 kids that are 8 and 5. And their classmates and people say, oh, you're the grandmother. No, I'm not. I'm the mother. So I'm trying to build up a hairstyle that I can wear out with my curls. So we'll see if we get a curl pattern from the SCurl Light Curl Activator. But remember, people's hair is different. Whew. Shout out to all the ladies that do hair videos, because this is more than a notion. Personal, because I lets no one see my gray hair. I sprayed on the leave-in conditioner, and we're going to test this here Jheri Curl Magic, which will let me know if I'm going to spend the rest of my day applying it throughout my hair. And then I got to feed the kids lunch. And then we'll make a decision about whether or not we're going to do the whole head. Can you see that? It's got a little thickness. Again, my hair is like Sierra Leone, Nigerian. We'll see what we get. Faye in the city. Huh. We'll be 2 strands twisting it up and looking like Chilllee. Again, because everybody's curl pattern is different. Where am I? You hear that crunch? Ain't nothing happening there. No. So again, it depends on people's hair texture, pattern, 4C, 4B, 4D. She's giving up something. My hair is mad thick. I mean, I see a wave. I see a... I'll try it again. See, this is good. This is nagroid hair. Now, I'm going to see if I got some gel. Sorry. That is the curl activator. That's the light. Okay, what I did was, there's a good curl. I'm sorry if you can't see that. I mean, I see it trying to come through for the people. Can you see that? I'll keep trying. And Faye in the city. I live for your videos. I live for your curl pattern. I will see if there's nothing you can do to my afro except for to wear jumbo twist and let them out. So back to my wigs. I don't have a curl pattern. Some people's hair doesn't have a curl pattern. The curl activator. I'm gonna make the kids lunch and we'll end this video shortly. $3.99 for the light. Black twist, set on rollers. That's all we can do. This is our finished product. Elongated coils, set on rollers. We'll let them out tomorrow. Hide the buff in the back. Got it brushed up on the sides. Go ahead and get you some curl activator. It works on probably a different type of hair, not on your gray hair. Gray hair becomes a different texture once it becomes gray. It loses follicles, but it may have worked in the back. So we will revisit this hair project. I thank you, Faye in the City. You are the best, the funniest. Keep doing what you're doing on your channel. I love you. I watch you every day, and I'll keep trying the products you recommend. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Do or die.